In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear Safari history on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Safari. Here it is. Then we need to get into Safari Settings, and if we scroll down a bit, actually almost to the bottom here, we can find Clear History and Website Data option. If we tap on it, it will show us that window where we can choose for which time frame we would like to clear our history for. We can select last hour, today and yesterday, and all history. I'm gonna pick today. Also, we can choose whether or not to close all tabs. We can activate it to close all the open tabs. Then to continue, just hit add that button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.